Hello guys, welcome to our channel and welcome to our second video. So in this tutorial, this module now, we are going to discuss about circle and arc. So I will strongly recommend you to watch the first video if you haven't watched the first video. So let's get started. So for making a circle or or arc, so you need to do the same thing which we have done previously. So right now I think grid is off, so we can turn on the grid from here, and to open the sketch plane, suppose you want to choose XY plane, so just choose the XY plane. Now we can sketch in XY plane after choosing the sketch command. So now we are going to discuss about circle and arc. Okay, so circle is firstly we can access the circle command using this create dialog box, and after that you can go to circle and center diameter. So from here, if we will drag circle like this, we can make a circle anywhere. Okay, so so we are going to give some dimensions to this circle. So firstly we are going to make center circle, so you can directly give the value of radius, so not radius, it's diameter. So I gave approximately 100. So there is one more feature that you can use this this text as this dimension value as a calculator also. This bar is a calculator also. Like if I will say 100 into 2, so it will make 200 automatically. So it does have a automatic built-in calculator also, so you can easily use that. So suppose we have 100. Okay, so it's a fully constrained because I gave it a coincident from the origin of this plane. Okay, origin of this sketch. So we made this now. Suppose let's delete this now. So the second is this 2-point circle. So 2-point circle is you can do it like that. So firstly place your first point and then click on the second point, so you can make the circle like this. So it's useful when suppose if I have something, suppose like this. Okay, so the dimension of this is 120 cross 60. Okay, so suppose let's constrain this sketch. So it will be about 30 and it will be about 60. Okay, so it's now constrained, it's fully constrained. So if I want to make a circle, 2-point circle, so it will be like this. Okay, so I can easily make this circle. So suppose I want to choose these 2 points, so exactly at these 2 points I can make a circle directly. So it's useful. Suppose I made a circle again, like 2-point circle, and then again this, and so I can trim this, so I can make a circle same as of 60 diameter. Okay, we can make a circle of 60 diameter by just using that command. So that is the dimension of the rectangle we took. Okay, so now we are going to get to the new command. So it's a 3-point circle. Okay, so you need to place your first point, then second, and then the third one. Okay, so it's also like that. So you can choose your third coordinate also. Okay, so suppose we are doing like this again. So suppose it's a rectangle, so I will choose again the 3-point rectangle, so I will choose 2 points, and then I can do it like this. So it's not important that it will be tangent to this line. So if I want to choose it till this point or till this point, so it will be very easy. Okay, so it's like a circumscribed circle. Okay, and then 2 tangent circle. So it's like suppose if you have this and this line. Okay, so you wanted to create 2-point circle, 2 tangent circle, so you will choose 2 tangent circle, and then you will select the first tangent and then the second one. So it will compare it will make the circle like that it will be always tangent to these 2 lines. Okay, so suppose this we made. Okay, so it's a useful command for some profiles. So suppose we have 3 points. Okay, suppose we have 3 points like this. Okay, so there's one more command. It's 3 tangent circle. So in this the first one, 2 tangent circle, we choose 2 lines for making a circle. So here we will choose 3 tangent circle, so there will be only one solution for this. You can't move this circle somewhere else, so it's like 3 point and something more like now. So now we will come to arc. So firstly we will come to 3-point arc. So this command create arc using 3 points. Okay, so firstly we have to select a start point, then end point, and then this adjusting point. Okay, this point, and to make an arc we need to select this point. Okay, so it will be useful somewhere like, suppose this is the figure I want to make, and then I want to create arc. So of course I will choose 2 points and then I will make an arc. Okay, so there can be many ways to make an arc. So suppose now the center point arc. So it also create arc using 3 points. So we have to select the center point firstly, and then select the start point, and at last select the end point and specify the angle value. Okay, so suppose this and this. So see, you can see like you do by compass, you can do exactly the same here. So from this point to this point I can create an arc. Suppose I want to create this to this. Okay, so it's very easy. So now we are going to do arc. The last is tangent circle. So for this tangent circle you must have a line firstly. Okay, so for tangent circle you will click the start point, and then you can make a circle. So actually what is special here, that it will be always tangent to this point. So see, you can see that this is the tangent constraint, so it's always tangent. This arc is always constrained to this line. So it's very important command also again. So so we are done with this, and in the next videos we are going to cover polygon, ellipse, slot, and spline. So thank you for joining, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.